The Viverone Lake borders the provinces of Turin, Biella and Vercelli. Covering barely 6 kilometers of surface with a 10-kilometer perimeter, this scintillating watery jewel is at the heart of the area's tourist industry, thanks to its natural beauty, mitigating effect on the northern climate, and tradition for hospitality. The lake's origins are ancient. At the end of the last ice age, its waters covered over 200 square kilometers. Throughout the ages, villages and rural settlements grew along the banks of this vast body of water. There is evidence of agriculture, stable communities, and the farming of animals. Archaeological remains of stilt house settlements along the lake's banks have also been found. Nowadays, the lake is a popular destination for nature enthusiasts, offering quiet vistas, delicious food, and many opportunities for sport lovers. The area around the village of Azeglio is the most pristine, a protected wildlife haven. It is a nesting place for waterfowl, especially mallards and great-crested grebes. The lake's peculiar microclimate means its waters never ice over. The lake's animal life is seen as a precious heritage by local institutions and inhabitants. In recent years, lakeshore administrations have joined forces to recover a precious natural balance, which had too often been neglected or even damaged in the past decades. The lake's waters are home to many kinds of fish: perch, catfish, tench, carp, freshwater whitefish. The latter, of the Salmonidae family, is present as the species Coregonus lavaretus, of which many different forms exist in European lakes and rivers. Its body is grey, veering silver at the sides, and its belly white. Whitefish has long been a primary source of wealth for lake dwellers. Delicate and tasty, it is a culinary speciality. Unfortunately, a lack of proper care and monitoring in safeguarding its natural habitat, combined with excessive exploitation of this precious resource, have led to dwindling numbers of whitefish in the lake's waters. Negative effects have rippled throughout the local community. Less fish meant less tourism and less interest surrounding the lake. But today, a renewed attention towards ecotourism has met the need to safeguard the natural environment, leading Viverone's administrations to pay more attention and dedicate more resources to protecting and advancing the lake's natural ecosystems. This has proved most beneficial for the whitefish, a sensitive species which requires clear, fresh, oxygenated waters in order to thrive. Coregonus lavaretus lives at various depths in the open waters of the lake. Currently, the lake is being repopulated through a dedicated project which is designed to encourage stability. No immediate results then, but a patient job requiring years. That said, we can already look back and see improvement. Different moments of the year see different activities take place. In December and January, fishermen capture the fish to obtain eggs from the females and sperm from the males. These are placed in containers destined to the Viverone fishery, where spawning takes place. The eggs are kept in controlled conditions, the temperature stable, the water always fresh, and after 2 months, the fry are born. Once these baby fish are large enough, they are returned to the lake to repopulate it. This is done only once the lake's waters are warm and the young whitefish are large enough to avoid predators. This project has enabled fishing to return to Viverone. Special nets ensure only the larger fish are caught, while the smallest, youngest whitefish remain to populate the lake. Today, Viverone is returning to its natural balance, encouraging tourism while respecting the environment. The local community, tourists and administrators can now, working together, make sure this little corner of Piedmont remains the beloved destination it is today. Laid back, fun and full of true feeling.